presentation. The goal of our team was to make a small web browser plugin intended for the end user, something that would help a casual person have a bigger picture when reading the news, maybe broaden their perspectives, help out with overall awareness and prevent from falling into an echo chamber. So we use the Newsmatics API to get information about the articles the user is reading. The most notable feature is providing insights to the currently read article. We analyze the topics the article is covering and show a graph of what type of sources do also report on this topic to see if there's a potential discrepancy. And we allow to search and we allow the user to subscribe to a specific topic if it's something they're interested in. And when they navigate to the plugin's homepage, they can see are there followed topics, and if anything new and important for them to read has appeared.
So this is our discovery page of our plugin. It shows featured, followed articles. So if for example, follow one article, you will be getting related articles to that one from some key phrases or keywords from the first one. Then we have hot topics, which is just a section with some simple pre-made queries. And then we have a section with our own little really simple algorithm to give the end user some articles that they would like based on what they read before and what they rated the articles before.
And also in the upper part, you can see a graph that shows the overall range of topics. Well, not topics, the news outlets that tend towards a specific meaning. Like in this graph, the yellow is the most prominent one, suggesting that the user has read a lot of neutral rated articles, suggesting that their bias might not be that big.
That's about almost all we did. I just want to mention some of our difficulties and known issues. So, firstly, because of the API's limitation that we cannot use the URL as a search query, we had to go through the titles and sometimes even through the page's text to actually find the right articles and report on them. This doesn't always work because sometimes article sites tend to change their article names to probably try to gather to more people's So it is not always accurate and it doesn't work on all of the article websites, but it works on most, which was the important thing to us. And then we had to implement the algorithm that would help show the new articles that our user would like to read. And yeah, that's basically all. Thank you.
I have one question, also about your
No, it's in the other branch.
Oh, I see, that's tricky, yeah. Okay. I see, okay. That's what perhaps confused most of us.
We had some issues.
So, yeah, I will pass the mic now.
Yeah, I have a question about those similar articles. So can you describe how you identify them?
So for every article that the user read, we would put some points to the keywords that were found in the article, and then after the user read enough articles, we would basically just use the ratings and some randomness to suggest them new ones based on like similar keywords.
I think I'll need to ask you later because I also didn't see the branch there. But like, what was your work on actual like recommendations? Did you like try or like look for the methods which are being used, or like what sort of problems did you arrive if you wanted to do like very good recommendation system?
So our system is very simple, but we mostly encounter the problem of not having enough data from the start, and we would have to make some initial queries. The second part was that we had to make a rating system for the articles, and that also was a little bit tricky.
How does the rating system work there?
The rating system just adds more points to the keywords found on the specific site.
Okay, to start forward. I really like the interface. I also thought that you had like, was there an idea that you could like show the user that he's actually like going into some bias, maybe twist him away from his bias? So did I get the idea correctly?
We tried to do that, but we did not have enough time for that. But we managed to implement the hot topics page, which was usually just the randomly generated ones that were very distinct from the ones that we recommended the user.
Okay, thank you very much, guys.